So moving on from security and SD-WAN, we're going to go over to wireless. Let's have a quick look at an overview of our wireless before we go on to the access points themselves. We have a relatively healthy network here. You can see that clients are very quick to connect. We've got very few failed clients, if any. Latency is measured as well. We've got network service health, and you can see everything going on. And lastly, we even get to see the top application. We can see a list of our access points, of which I have just a few within my home office, and they are relatively healthy. You can see, however, that one of them are actually offline here. But again, like we saw with our switches, we can see the health of these really quickly. So let's go and have a much deeper dive into the health of our Wi-Fi. There's not really much going on. So let's have a look at the last 12 hours. And again, everything looks really peachy on this particular network. But what is amazing is just the sheer amount of data which is available to you. If there was any particular period where things might have been bad, we can go back quite a long while and see which particular SSIDs are having problem, and we can see which clients are having problems as well. So this really does give you an awful lot of information, which enables you to keep your network incredibly healthy. So what else can we do? Well, we actually need to go and configure an SSID. So let's do that. I'm going to pick one of my unused. Now you can have up to 15 SSIDs. This is where we get to set the security of an SSID. And as you can see, we've got MAC-based access control, we've got enterprise with lots of different configurations, IPSK and IPSK without radius. We can do splash pages. There's quite a lot that we can do. We can even do walled garden, which will help users get configured as well. And lastly, we can do some content filtering as well on here. So lots and lots of information. So let's go and click on Meraki Cloud, and you can see that this is where we would get to set up any radius as well on here. I've already got a radius server already configured, which is why this looks really simple. We can do firewall and traffic shaping on here as well, and this enables everybody to have a really good experience. You can see that at the moment we're not doing any traffic shaping, but we can ensure that clients have a good experience without affecting other clients. Now, obviously, because the Meraki access points have a radio dedicated for security, we can do lots of other really cool stuff. We're going to go to Air Marshal. And what this allows us to do is can see lots of different bits of information that would normally take a dedicated device to see. So, for example, we get to see some rogue SSIDs. We get to see all of the other SSIDs. Now, the radio is so good, we even get to see cars which are driving past. We get to see anybody which is spoofing, malicious broadcasts, and packet floods as well. So one last thing, let's have a look at the health of the spectrum itself. Now again, we use the dedicated radio on the device to actually get this information. So let's go to our lounge Wi-Fi, and you can see that everything is looking relatively straightforward. We've got another AP over here that we'd be able to see, and you can see